Mastering compound subjects. Ace your TOEFL and IELTS grammar. Hello language learners. Today, we're diving into an essential grammar point that often surfaces in TOEFL and IELTS exams: compound subjects. Whether you're gearing up for your test or simply want to enhance your English grammar, this video is for you. Let's get started. A compound subject contains two or more simple subjects joined by words like and, or, and, nor. These subjects share the same verb. Here are some examples. Tom and Jerry are running. Neither the cat nor the dog is hungry. Notice in the first sentence, Tom and Jerry are two simple subjects that together form a compound subject. In the second sentence, the cat and the dog form a compound subject. When two subjects are joined by and, they typically require a plural verb. Example: apples and oranges are fruits. However, there are exceptions. When the two subjects joined by and refer to a single entity or idea, you use a singular verb. Example: peanut butter and jelly is my favorite sandwich. When subjects are joined by or, nor, the verb agrees with the subject that is closest to the verb. Examples: either the teachers or the principal is attending the meeting. Neither the students nor the teacher is ready. Sometimes, compound subjects contain collective nouns like team, group, band, etc. The verb should match the intention of the sentence, whether the group is acting as a single unit or as individual members. Example: the band is playing tonight. As one unit, the band are arguing about the set list. As individuals. 1. Always identify the subjects and the joining word to determine if you're dealing with a compound subject. 2. Reword the sentence in your mind, if necessary, to determine if it sounds correct. 3. When in doubt, separate the subjects and think about the verb each would need if they were on their own. Compound subjects can be tricky, but with practice, they become second nature. Remember to look out for joining words and adjust your verb accordingly. We hope this video has clarified the topic for you. Best of luck with your TOEFL and IELTS preparation, and keep mastering your English.